Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across two unexpected issues with the Windows 11 24H2 blue screen error with WDSSDS. So WDSSD goes when Windows 11 crashes after 2024 update, mainly on WDSN 770 and SN 580. Error happens due to improper allocations of the memory of the host memory buffer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa registry editor, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines, so double click ka lang. And next step, so select mo lang dito yung system. So double click ulit. And then dito sa system, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung current control set. So double click ulit. And dito lang sa current control set, and select mo lang dito yung control. So kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And dito sa control, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung store port. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung store port. Ito siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-select yan one time. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung HMB allocations policy. So kapag wala kang makitang HMB allocation policy dito, ay kailangan natin mag-create. So kung paano ba mag-create? So dito lang sa blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click, select dito yung new, and then dito sa key ay select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value, so click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa new value ay kailangan lang natin yan i-rename. So ito yung ilalagay natin ng HMBA allocation policy. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung HMB allocation policy, and then press mo lang yung enter. So once na-enter mo na siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang edit DWORD 32-bit value, and then double check mo lang yung value name, and dito sa value data dapat ito ay 0, and then dito sa base kailangan hexadecimal, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so close lang natin yan, and then next step, so close lang natin tong registry editor. So kailangan lang natin mag back, and then close lang natin dito, at dito lang si start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 24H2 BSOD error with WDSSDS. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.